Bula everyone, this is Baron Bruno from Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and we are right now at lot 17 in Nisoso Island. This is one of the most prestigious new gated communities in Fiji. So if you are looking for something top of the line, big lots with amazing ocean frontage, look no further. The difference is with Denarau and some of the other luxury communities, Nisoso is known, also gated and private, exclusive, but the lot sizes here are gigantic. So this is one you're going to want to definitely have a look. Go to our website, professionalsfiji.com. If you're interested in learning more about this listing coming up, this parcel of land where you can build your dream home, Oceanfront, professionalsfiji.com, or call me directly, +679 999 2051. Gorgeous. Look at this. How'd you like to wake up to that every day? Look forward to hearing from you soon. Vanaka.